Hello, just a quick Arduino tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use this little piece right here. This is called a 7-segment display, and it basically has little LED lights inside that you can turn on and off, and you can display any number basically from 0 to 9 on this thing. And so there's some pins coming out the back, and we're going to use those. We're going to connect those to our Arduino, and then we're going to put some code onto our Arduino that's going to actually count from 0 up to 9 and then start over again. And yeah, so this is just quick, show you how this all works. I'm going to present my screen so you can see what I'm looking at. I'm going to use this tutorial right here. I'll link to this website in the activity description. I'm also going to link to the source code that I'm going to be using as well. And so yeah, so there are some components that are required. And hopefully let's get started. So we've got a wiring diagram that looks like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically wire mine exactly like theirs. So you can see these numbers in here. Really, all that matters is that you're in the right row and whether you're in the top or the bottom. So this is 35, and I'm going to call this 35 top. So you can see that there's nothing plugged into 35 top. However, there are two things plugged into 36 top. So there's a wire that's plugged into 36 top, and that's connecting to number 8 on the Arduino. And then there's a wire from our display as well, plugged into 36 top. And so that's how I'm going to describe what I'm doing. I'm going to name the row. I'm going to tell you whether it's top or bottom, because everything in 36 top is connected to one another. So it doesn't matter if you're connected to 36 top, this one, or 36 top here, 36 top there. These are all connected to one another. And so I'm just going to sit this down, and I'm going to make sure that my decimal point is on the bottom, and that my first wire is plugged into 36 top. So my top left wire needs to go into 36 top. And I'm going to press that down in, and I can see I'm going to call this 36 bottom. So I'm going to use these top numbers right here. Whenever I say 36, that means this row. Top is right here, bottom is right here. So even though these numbers down here are going the opposite way on your board, I'm just going to ignore these numbers. So just look at these top numbers. 36 top, make sure you've got this one, top corner there. Your bottom corner will be in 36 bottom. All right. Now, there's a resistor. And so I'm going to I've got a 330 ohm resistor, and I'm going to plug that into, this is 36, 37, 38 top. It's going to go one end, 35, 36, 37, 38 top. And then the other end is going to go into 42 top. 41, 42 top. Remember, you can bend the wires on your resistor as much as you need to make them fit. You just want to make sure that they're pushed in securely. So maybe I'll put I'm going to stop presenting here. And I wonder, can I record the screen? I'm sure you all are seeing my screen, but I've got my phone here trying to get this thing hooked up. That is not super clear. I wonder if I manage participants, show everyone. I wonder if I show you this. And now somebody's calling me. Just ignore. And see, no, you can't see anything. Oh, maybe it's because they're calling me. There we go. So this is what mine looks like right now. All right, so hopefully you can see that. Is it this pin? Does that, yeah, I think that's gonna show you that, okay, you're recording that, all right. So I'm going to set, I wonder if I can just set this so that you can see what's going on here. I don't know. I'll just hold it, and I'm going to go back, and I'm just going to look at the wiring diagram from the website. I'm going to put my Arduino in the same position. And I've got a bunch of wires here, and I'm just going to start wiring. So I can see I'm just going to start from number 8 is going to go. Let's see if you guys, am I pointing this at the right direction? Yeah, you guys can see this. Number 8 is going to go into 36 top. All right. Number 7 is going to go. This is hard to do with one hand. Number 7 is going to go into 37 top. All right. Let's see here. Number 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So there's 3. 3 is going to go into 39 top. And wait, no, that's wrong. 3 has got to go into 40. Yes, 3's got to go into 40. And 2 has got to go into, okay, I can't do this with one hand. We're just gonna, I'll show you the picture when I'm done. Let's just put this back. Let's stop this. Let's go here. Take that pin off. And then let's go to present my screen. I think you got the gist. Present my screen here so you can see what I'm looking at. I'm just looking, there we go. I'm just looking at this diagram here. All right, so 2, I've got 2 hands. I can move a little bit faster. Plugging 2 goes into 40 top. Wait, no. 2 goes into 39 top. So you just got to follow that diagram. And then we've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. It's kind of hard to get these all to fit because, whoops, because they have these, you know, kind of black things, but 4, where do you connect to? Black goes all the way around, goes to 39 bottom. All right, 39 bottom, there you go. 4, 5, 6, 5 is the yellow one that goes around to, see here, that's 37 bottom. 37 bottom. 7 bottom. And then 6. Yep, that's my number 6. 6 is going to go to 36 bottom. Okay. And we got it. All right, so that's our wiring diagram. It looks like there are, yep, just talking about how all the pins are laid out, blah, blah, blah. And then it's just the code. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this code and I'm going to copy it all. Copy, copy, copy. And I'll link to this code so you don't actually have to copy it. You can just open up mine and put it onto your Arduino. So Control-C is copy. I'm going to put it into, let's create a new sketch. And I'm going to delete the old code and I'm going to paste that new code in there. That did not paste really well. Let's see if that actually compiles or not. That's not. All right, let's see if there's a different way. So I'm getting, it's because I've got these weird things in here. I'm sure that's what's throwing it off. It's just a copy issue. Sometimes there's a way to copy this code. Here's going to be a write program, blah, blah, blah. That's the code. Is there another place to copy this code from so that I don't get these pasting errors? I don't want to have to go in here and delete all of this. Redefinition of void setup. I guess I could just go in here and delete everything. I don't know. I'm going to pause this recording. I'm going to find a way to pause this recording. I'm going to find a way. Can I pause? Stop recording. There's no way to pause recording. I just need to copy and paste this code into there. There's no way to pause recording. I guess you can watch me zoom ahead to the end. You should just be able to add this code, upload it to your Arduino, and it should work. Let's see here. Wait, there's got to be, this is not, there's something else that's wrong here. Oh, I didn't put in this. I didn't put in the ground wire. I need to put in my ground wire to go from 42 top into GND. That's, I knew there needed to be a ground. All right. Now it's just the code. Let's see if I can do it. I'll show you if you want to watch me painfully try to figure out how to copy this code over. Okay, so here's the code. Control A, no, that's not gonna do it. Sometimes if you paste it into a text editor first, that might help. So let's copy it, text edit. So you can paste into the text editor first. Nope. Oh yeah, let's go new text editor, let's paste that. Hey, that looks good. Okay. Although there's some weirdness about this. Let's see if we can copy this and paste it into here. Why is this zoomed? Why is this zoomed in so much? Okay, there we go. Zoom back out. Delete, and let's paste. Control A, delete. What? Why? Control A, delete. Did it paste it a bunch of times? What is going on? Okay, there's like, something's not right here. Okay, let's see here. Redefinition of void setup. It's trying to compile. That's what's going on. It's just, yeah, undetermined comment. Okay. Hey, there we go. It was just a pasting issue. Let's connect this to our Arduino and upload and see if we get numbers turning on. Always something. Just can't ever just be simple. I'm going to wait until my Arduino Uno connects. Hey, my Arduino Uno connected. Upload and save. Am I still presenting my screen? Yes, I am. So I'm going to stop presenting. I'm going to show you my phone. There you go. And look, the numbers are counting from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back to 0. There we go. Hey, it's working. All right. That was fun. Y'all, well, that's not what I wanted. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see you on the next tutorial.